Hello, my name is Brian Perriman. I'm out of Birmingham, Alabama, and I'm excited today to present to you ORU, One Race United. In this presentation, I'm going to explain exactly what ORU is, why you should be involved, and the benefits that you will acquire for doing so. So if you will, let's get started. What is ORU? ORU is a global online community that is based in 91 countries and spans 59 languages. ORU was built by a team of experts with combined 30 years experience in developing technologies that people use every day. We're self-funded with no investors or shareholders, so there's no one to answer to. So our entire goal is to make sure our benefits are the best bang for the buck for our members. We provide savings and solutions to enhance your daily lifestyle, such as the ORU Visa Card. This Visa Card is definitely FDIC insured. It's a prepaid debit card. It requires no minimum balance. It's good wherever Visa is accepted. So you have access to online banking with mobile access. There are no credit checks and guaranteed approval. Everybody's approved for this card. You're allowed to withdraw cash from thousands of ATMs. You can add cash to the card via PayPal or another debit card or credit card. You also have the ability to receive a routing and account number, which means you can use this as a checking account as well, so you can do direct deposit. And that means bye-bye to check cashing fees and check cashing services. ORU Health RX. It's a prescription discount service that is also included with the membership that allows you to save up to 75% on your prescriptions. There are no questions or forms to fill out. You can instantly print or download your card from the back office. You can send the card to yourself via text or email. And you can use this card at over 68,000 pharmacies in the United States right now. You also can save up to 80% on hotels, airfare, attractions, car rentals, and more. Now, coming soon, first quarter of 2019, we are going to implement a daily essentials discount. So basically, you can save up to 45% on things like cheese, milk, toothpaste. Basically, a grocery discount, if you will. You can print those coupons or save them to your smartphone. They're honored at stores just like other manufacturer coupons, so you're good to go there. No need to worry. ORU Marketplace. So with the ORU Marketplace, you can market globally for free. You have the ability to, at that point, buy or sell products or services through the marketplace. There are no merchant fees or convenience fees amongst members. It's similar to your regular shopping on eBay or Craigslist or Amazon. ORU Communications consists of email and text messaging, voice and video messaging. Emoji and stickers are available as well. You can do individual or group video calls, all with end-to-end encryption inside the platform. You even have typing indicators and message read notifications. ORU Business Tools. So you'll be able to facilitate meetings by file and screen sharing. You have collaborative whiteboarding, video conferencing, voice video conferencing. You can also look forward to being able to type in your standard language and it be converted to a foreign language in real time for the recipient of your message and communications. ORU Social. ORU Social is our social platform that allows you to post pictures and create groups. You can connect to friends and family worldwide. And you don't have to be bombarded with unwanted ads and marketing. No unauthorized use of your personal data on this secure platform. Your data is never sold. ORU Pay. No merchant fees for businesses with ORU members. You can send and receive money worldwide to ORU members for free. With that, you can also instantly pay banked and unbanked employees directly to their ORU Visa Card, nationally and internationally. It's just like having a bank in your back pocket. Coming soon, which I think a lot of people are excited about, is the ORU Rideshare. It's coming first quarter 2019. You've heard of Uber and Lyft. The difference for those drivers with our platform, ORU Rideshare, is that the driver keeps 100% of the fare. The driver and the rider get score points. That'll make more sense in just a minute as we talk about ORU Score. The ORU platform is unique in that it pays you for your usage on the platform. So the score is a weighted algorithm that tracks all of your usage on any of the platforms. Any activity inside the platform is tracked. So the more active you are, the higher your score. So as you use ORU, you're awarded cash weekly. There are no qualifications. You simply get paid for what you already do. And you get all of this for only $5.95 per month. The one-time activation fee of $30.94, that includes the Visa card and your first month's membership. That's a pretty good deal, but there's more. With ORU Protocol, you get awarded cash instantly when you share ORU with others. 95% of the revenue gets paid back to our members. This is not an affiliate program or multi-level marketing. This is just another benefit if you choose to invite others. So go ahead, join the ORU community today. Do it today. Save money and earn rewards. Change the world, starting with yours. So get back with the person that shared this video with you. If they thought enough to share this with you, get back with them and go ahead and get started. Thank you.